Pursuing your affiliate marketing dreams and goals. Affiliate marketing is a tremendous opportunity to increase your online business and make seemingly easy money. However, given the relative youth of this market and the technical specifics involved, it can actually be quite a headache. This video contains tips and tricks that you can use to simplify matters and make more money doing it. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. When creating an affiliate marketing program for your products, encourage deep linking. You want links on your affiliates' pages to go directly to the product page for the item they're recommending. The more clicks it takes the reader to reach the product, the less likely it is that they will convert. Write an enhanced review about the affiliate product you are marketing and include screenshots, photographs, and videos. Most people will not buy a product before understanding exactly what it can do or seeing a demonstration which proves that the product lives up to its claims. An enhanced review can really inform a potential customer about the product, so it has the power to dramatically increase sales. As mentioned earlier, affiliate marketing has the allure of easy money, but setting up things to generate those easy revenues can be hard. Apply the wisdom you have received from this video and all things affiliate marketing in your life, can actually be easier than you might have ever hoped and dreamed. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.